Sounds incredible. Take 10. With you, I'll share this ditty. If you're listening to my words, about a place I love, owned by a genius named Dirge. The police was next door. We had a leaky roof above. Had spooks in the basement. We did not disturb. Seen Parliament there after they was inducted to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Seen TLC when nobody knew the name. Built a secret room, but that didn't last. Stewart had to show everybody how to open it before they passed. Had a lot of fun. Never a harsh word. One of my favorite places was on this earth. Sounds incredible. Was the name. Had some queers next door. I'm not knocking their game. I seen a lot of music. Smoked a little weed. Felt more love than you can conceive. At first it was analog. Stacks of freaking cassettes. When digital come along, no more free cable TV. Crazy. Screw broadband. All that technology. Stewart told me my first computer, which was an XT, wasn't even good for an anchor. But then he said, here, take this motherboard that I paid $1,000 for 6 months ago. You can have it, but you're going to need a video card and this and this and that. He gave me shit and taught me about computers. Asshole.